Hey, I am Raghunath Krishna and you're watching Elephany, where we draw and color 50 stylized elephants. In this video, we are going to draw and color Glintstone. Okay, what are you drawing? Looks like a car, isn't it? Are we drawing an elephant? I thought we were drawing an elephant. Doesn't look like that. Two wheels. Wait. Yeah, I know. I see an elephant coming here. Wait. Yes. Trunk here. The eye here. Then the eye line. Then the ear. Oh yeah, so Glintstone elephant. So this is the front portion of it. Let us give him a smile. He's happily going. He thinks he's a car now. And then the back leg folded. He has painted 3 windows on himself. Now let us give him the road. Yeah, he's. Then the speed lines. Glintstone is happily driving and his tail is flying. Speed lines for the tail also. Some more speed lines. We have drawn Glintstone now. Let us give him some color. We will take purple to color Glintstone. Let us give him shadows below the ears and the lower part of the legs, the stomach area. I am taking indigo to color the dark portions. The crevice shadows with indigo. I am taking pink to add some life to the ear, the cheek and the general body. Let us color his windows blue. Let us give brown to the wheels. He just taken 2 logs and used them as wheels. Let us add some red to the eye. Let us give some pink to the eyelids. With this, we have drawn and colored Glintstone. Hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.